Hello you guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're working on those fin shape keys that usually require the AC Delco 2 program. So we have used the AC Delco 2 program, and we have programmed an auto key to this car with the AC Delco. And the slot is being here, but we're just going to try to do something, adding a key without connecting to the car. Let's see how it works. I think this is one of the huge one. Simple video, but a big game changer for all of us. When you're adding those kind of keys, you usually need to use AC Delco, or you basically gonna need to buy all those subscriptions and let somebody take over your computer, etc. All of those things. But if it's in case of adding a key, that method is crazy. I'm shocked that it's possible. I'm happy to give it to you guys. Have fun, enjoy it. So doing so will require the XM38, and we're gonna generate the right key with the ID 49 inside, just like this being generated. And then we're gonna take a working key, which is this one for this case, and we're gonna open it up and take the battery out. So we basically took the battery out and we just left this, and this will be the coil, the cup holder. So we're just gonna place it there, or you know what, actually we're gonna need that, but we're gonna go to the function called special function, copy proximity remote, ID 49. So in order to do that, we're just going to put the PCB here, and we're going to go start clone. Now we're going to put the PCB here without the battery, and we're going to press the push button. Now we're going to take back the board, and we're going to hit OK. So now it's asking us to place the generated key, so we're just going to place that right there. So it took about maybe a minute or 2 minutes total, but the smart key, the write was successful, so we're just going to hit complete. And now this key is basically, and look at that. That is amazing. So basically, if you guys need to add a key, and again, this key doesn't have a battery, so we're just going to make sure that this key starts the car without being in the slot. So we can press the push to start for a long press. And oh my gosh, that is literally how to add a key for the knife shape style, just by doing that. So we're going to go again. You're just going to go on the copy proximity remote. You're just going to do the ID 49. You're going to take the PCB out, so you have it without battery. And then we're going to put it in the slot, read it, put it here, give it a minute. And then we're basically going to write the new key. And this is how you do adding a key on those fin style without connecting even to the OBD of the car. No dealer tool needed. Now one more thing, it's look like that method is also, if we go to special functions, so we can see that it's for Honda Cycle smart key, which I don't know, I'm not familiar with, the Mazda 6A smart keys, and the Xpeng, which we don't have here in the US, and the ID 49, which we did. But the Mazda 6A, it's also very good. It will be for those kind of Mazdas. So it's going to be for the CX30. So the CX30 using the 6A, the new ones. So this is very good. You can just clone it, and it should also work for the CX5, the new ones that needed a dealer tool. So those are other ones that you can check in the same kind of method. but it will be the CX5 and the CX30. So those, as you can see here, it's using the 6A chip. So that will be the same method, I think, but that is about this update. You can do a copy proximity remote. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.